Welcome to Raketenauto. So today you see my daily sketching routine, how I keep myself, like fit and up to date. I have this little cool Hot Wheels sketchbook where I have a lot of drawings in it. And for example, this Toyota. And so I do every day my little sketch, and I just try to keep myself in use of drawing and sketching. And so I'm just drawing every day a bit. And so today I'm kind of interested in drawing Audis. So I go with the shape approach. So I'm just like, kind of, how is the overall shape of this Audi? How is it built, this car? I mean, as you can see, it's not really right, but this is okay for now. It's not so important. It's just for for keeping yourself in use and in exercise, steady exercise, with car design and design. So I start here. I like starting with the front light, and then you kind of mirror it here. And as you can see, this distance here doesn't work anymore, but that's not that bad. And usually I tend to draw those front lights, headlights a bit too big. So this is why I'm starting with it, because I can arrange the sketch after it. And so here I'm going with the hood here, the hood located, and so, and there is kind of, I just try to keep it a bit and make it a bigger SUV. Like here somewhere is the wheel, no? So I'm trying to not use much pressure. As you can see, it's quite a light sketch till now. And okay, so what else do we have? So let's show there's some details, the rims. Like Audi look rims. All right, and so as you can see, I'm drawing the front bumper. First, I'm like kind of, this is kind of cool. And we have, as you can see, my single frame, my huge Audi single frame is not that big, but this doesn't really matter. I just wanna, this intake is all the time very interesting for me. Make it like this. That's quite a huge intake. Go up there. It's kind of the face of this Audi. And as you can see, I'm doing the section lines to show the form. And of course now we have like kind of here the rear. And kind of this boxy look, this boxy Audi look. Yeah, of course we want to have this boxy Audi look. And of course what we always can do is, when you're sure about a form, and especially if it's an important element like the front light, yeah, you can like give it some pressure, some punctuation, and give it some sculpture with some shadow, you know, make it pop out. And as you can see, yeah, we have this quite cool Audi look. And yeah, we have here these kind of little holes for the air. And yeah, what else do we have? Yeah, here we have the A-pillar. And make it a bit more yeah, looks quite okay, yeah. So this connection is missing. We will close this here. That's important. That's an important line. So you can make this line a bit bigger. As you can see, I'm doing the shadow, and here it's quite dark. There's no light down there. Here we have this reflection. Yeah, so as you can see, we have some nice reflections going on. And yeah, so what else is usual? That usually this wheel is kind of here, that's right, but for the sketch we're kind of like making it wider than the car really is. Just makes it pop out more and makes it stay stronger, you know. And so there we have the wheel and the tire. So here's no light. All right. So as you can see, I'm doing here the section lines to show how this form is done. We have a suicide door, that's pretty cool. And then I'm like just slightly showing the interior. Here we have the driver's seat. Here's the family. Mother sits next to the father, and there's the family. I mean, it's a sports utility van for young families. And then can just like make it like this to give the interested viewer a certain glimpse of how this car works and how was the idea. As you can see, I'm missing the rear mirrors, very important. And of course here some reflection, and here down there I have to think of it, how is this going to work. I like this kind of. Reminds me somehow of a shark. I like this shark animal idea. There's some reflection going on. And we'll just draw this reflection here. And there you don't really have to make it super clear, because usually the front is done well. You don't have to be too specific here, because you want to have the focus of the eye there. And so we're going to show what's important for us. And for us it's mostly this area here. This here is some kind of, maybe we'll give it more flesh there. Down there it's a bit, sometimes this helps make it look more realistic. I mean, in the end it has to look cool, of course, and realistic. And here we will try to finish this section line. So I guess this is almost it. A quick sketch of an Audi, and I wanted to show you my daily sketch routine. So of course it's not only one Audi. I mean, this has lasted now for 13 minutes. Of course you should draw more, and for example here, second one, and here maybe a different perspective, super fish eye perspective. As you can imagine, it's like this somehow. And then maybe a perspective where you can see how the trunk is opening, so some kind of, I'm just like showing the idea of the sketch, and the raw, like the shape, how it's going to be located. And here of course maybe also we want to show the rear, so we're going to change this one. This should be a rear, just to have an idea of it's going to play out in the end. So yeah, and I'm doing those 4 sketches, and in the end of the day, I'm having my daily routine with sketches, and I'm happy because the routine makes me just draw better and better every day, and this is what we want to have in the end. Just a lot of routine that we can like improve our skill of drawing a car better and better every day. This worked for me quite well, and I hope it does for you. So leave a comment. What do you think? And all the best. See you next time.